Today we're gonna talk about how to resize clips inside Premiere Pro. Alright, so I have this 4K sequence set up, and I have a couple of footages here, one UHD, one 4K, and one HD. That one's later. So, for example, inside of a 4K timeline, you drop this UHD footage. I'm gonna keep existing. You're gonna have this problem with black bars because of the difference of aspect ratio. Now, if you click on the if you right click and if you try to scale the frame size, nothing's going to happen because of the aspect ratio differences. Couple ways to go around this. Normally, what people do is you can either manually drag the footage out to make it fit, or if you worked with this before, you can just punch in a number and just scale in. However, there's a better tool. If you go in effects and type auto reframe, if you just drag and drop that, voila. So that was just one clip, and imagine if you have a timeline with hundreds and hundreds, or if not thousands of clips, you can just highlight them all and then drop this tool, and that'll take care of pretty much everything for you. Now, another useful thing about auto reframe is, let's say you have a HD footage like this one. Sorry, this guy, server dude, quite a lot of motion. So if you want to put that on like a story or a short or any vertical format, that takes a lot of work to keep the subject in the frame, because you need to do a lot of keyframing. Now here auto keyframe comes in hand a lot, because I created this vertical sequence. So let's drop the footage here. Keep. Alright, so the old way would be I'll just try to like manually somehow position this guy to always keep him in the center or keyframe, and that's tedious. However, if you just, since I only have this one clip, I can right click on the sequence and hit auto reframe, vertical. I'm keeping faster motion because we see quite a lot of movement on this footage. Create. Not only it resizes it for me, it does this machine learning thing wherein it tries to keep the subject in the middle as best as it can. So let's take a look. There you go. Remember how much movement there was on the clip, and for the most part it's doing a good job of keeping the guy right in the middle of the frame. Now here, let me show you this. If you look at the keyframing, look how much keyframing this effect does just to keep the subject in the middle. Alright, so there you have it. If this video was helpful, please drop a like, and see you on the next one.